Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from Diamond Dotz, Evening Voyage. This kit was purchased from Mary Maxim online website. I will leave the link in the description box below. The price was around $20. It was on sale. I actually had been looking at this kit for a very long time, and I was not sure whether to purchase it or not. But since it was on sale, I decided to give it a try. I cannot say that I fell in love with the design so much, but at the same time, it seemed really very cute. Let's start with the specifications of the kit. The size of the kit is 16 by 16 inches. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The canvas is fabric based and the adhesive is poured glue. This kit contains 22 colors. All of them are resin drills, but as you can see, I did modify this kit by replacing a few colors with crystals and AB diamonds along with neon diamonds. Specifically, I replaced the diamonds here on the lantern with yellow AB, yellow crystals, and white neon diamonds. It glows in the dark to show the effect of light coming out, coming from the lantern. I also replaced one of the colors with white neon here as the stars. And I replaced also yellow diamonds with crystals and ABs over here on the boat is a reflection of the light coming out, coming from the lantern. And over here on the water, plus the glares on the water, those symbols were also replaced with neon diamonds. These neon diamonds were purchased from Tina, diamond with sparklers, diamond painting with sparklers. And I think they give them, they give this design more sparkle. I really like this image, and although it is pretty realistic, it is a boat in the night on the water, yet it has some magic in it. Maybe because of the nighttime and the lantern on the boat with the light, maybe because of the glares on the water. I'm not sure, but there is something magical about this very design, and it would fit perfectly any bedroom, especially kids' bedroom. Beautiful kid. When my daughter saw it, that's exactly what she said, that she wanted to keep it in her bedroom. Very, very peaceful, magical image. So if any of you is thinking about purchasing this very design, but contemplating because of the price, maybe because you're not sure how it's going to turn out, this is the final result. Look at it, decide for yourselves whether you like it or not, and make a decision on whether it's worth purchasing this kit or not. I really love it. I love that the designers worked on the image, and I can say that yes, they did, because the clouds look super natural to me, and the glare on the water. Like when I look at this glare on the water, it looks super realistic, especially from far away. So as soon as I frame this diamond painting kit, I will upload a video review. This is all for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I will leave the link to this kit in the description box below, and I will see you soon.